assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Amenya nedobozi nze Ibrahim Mukasa ku Extradigest mugoba nsonga. It's a beautiful day. Embeera nnungi nnyo around Kampala, Africa ne East Africa okutwaliza awamu. Era nga nkugamba yonna gyosinzira okubanga otulaba. CNN ya Africa, we are back again like never before. Era nga olunaku olwaleero tuli n'omukyala, omwana ow'obuwala nga mukyala muyimbi. Amanyiddwa nga Shakira Shakiraa oba Shakira Shakiraa. Ajja kuba atubuulira what is the right order of her names and spelling. Tuli ku Extradigest mugoba nsonga, mbanirizaako basebo ne banyabo abatulabira mu Uganda, abatulabira e South Africa, abatulabira mu Africa, abatulabira mu Schengen, abatulabira mu America, abatulabira mu North America, abatulabira mu Europe, everywhere olulimi Oluganda gye lutuuka. Tuli ku mugoba nsonga. Nkwanirizaako Shakira, nsaba obuuze ku balungi abatulaba.
Abalungi batulaba, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalamu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ojja kusitula ku ddoboozi.
Abalungi batulaba. Bali kubeerako. My name is Shakira Shakiraa. Allah w'amaanyi atusiza ku lunaku lwa leero.
Alhamdulillah.
And Ibrahim, thank you for having me.
Pleasure.
I don't take it for granted. And I can't wait to have fun with you.
Thank you. Ono abeera sister wange. Yeah, abeera sister wange. Nga omanyi ebintu by'ensi eno obeera tomanyi muntu like ng'omulaba ku TV. So sometime she called me nga ayina abafamile baali nabo n'angamba kati abafamile ne bangamba oyo muyita booti ne booti small world.
Yes.
So she's my sister. Era nga nagambye kamunoonyeko tunyumyemuko tubadde tuyisiŋŋanya nga bwe ngenda mu America ate ye aba agenda mu regions endala okukola businesses ne music as well. Ate bwe nkomawo wano ate n'alinnya n'adda eri bw'atyo. So this time round nebaza Allah tusobozesa okuba tusisinkanye tukole this interview nga ffenna tuli Kampala.
Yes.
Shakira Shakiraa.
Omufirika.
Ochongerako nti omufirika?
Yeah.
Okay, that is very good. Spelling erinnya lyo erietya. Does it end with an H or with an A nerikomawo? Shakira.
No, it's just the A. Erisoka A, then eriokubiri double A. Shakira Shakiraa. Wali double A owangazamukko? Yeah, eriokubiri owangazamukko.
Owangalamukko.
Yeah.
Lwaki?
Because I figured omuntu oba olyogera Shakira.
Wow. So you made it musical.
Yeah.
Chinyumira abantu ate kibanguyire.
Yeah, like it sounds a little bit melodic.
Okay.
Aba alaba that Shakira kitegeera. So oba okyogera nawe oba osubira ki Shakira.
I know. Never dage. Uganda Zabu, tuli so proud okubeera abaddugavu. Tuli so proud okubeera bannayuganda olw'ebyo ebigwawo mu Uganda ebyotalaba mu nsi ndala. So how have you been?
I've been okay, alhamdulillah. Mukama mulungi. Ndi mulungi nasiiba naita mu kisiibo.
That is very good. That is very good.
My family is okay, so
that is good.
It's a pleasure.
Mzee ali atya?
Mzee jali mulungi. Allah mukumye bulungi.
Abalala bali batya?
Abalala nabo gye bali.
Nabo bali
my life up and down, but you know, as long as you're alive and kicking, chekisinga obukulu. Family
ye Uganda eri etya ne family yo mu America eri etya?
A family ye Uganda at family jenvamu. Vera side ya daddy ndala, ni ya mami ndala. Yeah, they are not together. So kati Uganda family ya daddy eriyo, America side ya mami eriyo. So when I'm in Uganda, it's more like Kamlegea's family. Absolutely. Everyone know. Then when I'm in America, it's my mom's side. Nabamu everyone know. But majorly, like the main people. Yeah. Yeah.
Aunt Fatuma ali atya?
Kutumide konyo Aunt Fatuma we bali kukoma Kampala. Mwagala nnyo. Jali bambi.
Senga wange oyo mwagala nnyo. Y'omu ku basenga bange bambi. Abalungi ennyo. Basenga bange bonna balungi but Aunt Fatuma nkwagala nnyo. Nnyo, you know it.
Nkwagala nnyo.
Yeah, Aunt Fatuma adda ku muzeeyi wange mulundi gwa kumeka 1 2 mulundi gwanga gwa kusatu awo. Kwagala nnyo Aunt Fatuma. Allah akukume akuwangaze nkwagala nnyo.
Kati senga wali tomanyi nti nkwinako Oluganda wandize muno otunuulira.
Ate nali nkukoze eki omulundi ogwasooka. Omulundi ogwasooka nali nkukoze eki. Tewali saakuganza saakukwana nali nkulaba bulabi nga nnyumirwa music of course naye nga simanyi nti kuinako Oluganda. But it's small world of course. Siina kye nali nkoze nti oba nakuwalana nedda. Saakuganza nti ate amawano nedda. Saakufera nti oba nalya sente zo nedda. The good thing about it was bwe baŋŋamba nti ono mwannyoko ne ŋŋamba wow small world.
Yes.
Ne ŋŋamba alhamdulillah. So Shay ali atya?
Shay gyali
ali bulungi.
Alwala n'atereera.
Yeah,
like
bambi.
that. Aging, you know, aging comes with a lot of, you know, diseases.
Wajjidde wano ku show wasembyeyo ddi okwogera ne Shay?
Ndudde. Mbadde siriiwo Ibra, I just came back.
Netu WhatsApp biki?
Shay talina WhatsApp.
Tali ku WhatsApp?
Si bintu bye kale abeerako ne kaki kano ke bampeerezza nga sikategedde. Ono bajati.
I know.
Ole Shakira. Hey. Kale.
So if you woba wakwogera naye okuba direct.
Yeah, n'omubuuzaako salamu alaikum of course.
That is very good.
Oloko omubuulira. N'oba wakumulaba era olina engeri gy'oyambalamu n'ogenda n'omulaba.
Okay. Amanyi omulimu gw'okola, amanyi nti oli mu ndongo?
Ayinza obutamanya. Kugambye agamba ate kano kaki kano.
Extradigest mugoba nsonga tulina Shakira Shakiraa, mukyala muyimbi, wangalira mu Uganda na America as well.
Ibratira ndi musawo.
Ate oli musawo. Tujja kiraba mu maaso awo. Ekintu ky'obusawo waliwo yali abimbuuza ne mugamba nti mpulira. Era n'abantu abawangala naye mu America baŋŋamba musawo. That is very good. Yeah. Okay. Shakira, it is a strange question, but I know you'll answer the question. Kyaki beera kikuleeta Uganda? Because omwaka osobola okujja Uganda more than 5 times. It is a bit costly, it's a bit expensive,
very.
It's a bit draining. Nti obeera ku nnyonyi. Nze naakagenda mu America emirundi 2 naye sikyalina nnyo mabbabbanyi, sikyalina nnyo maddu. Because otuuka nga essanyu walireka nali mu kkubo olw'olugendo nti luwanvu nnyo nnyonyi ya America mpanvu nnyo emenya nnyo. So ojja mu Uganda almost emirundi 5, 6, 7 omwaka. It is a bit expensive. Ani afutinga bills zino za air tickets. Oba gwo oyina bazita batya oba oyina points.
Oh yeah, by the way, chikulu. Chogamenti emenya nnyo ng'oli mu economy. Because before that, no, see wait, you're not like that. But not like that. No. I'm just saying.
No, you're right. Just nze kati osooka okwogera ekino kiba kya nnaku nga time eyo nze nsekera ku switch kati ng'eyo time yakuseka kati kizze nga switch naginyiza nti nina oseka naye mbadde siseka ky'oyogedde nti emenya nnyo ng'oli mu economy. Keith Kanaabi kutumiddeko nnyo my brother, alina akanyonyi ke yalinnya amagulu ne gasisinkana omumwa ng'ali bw'ati. Nengamba si kanyonyi katulinnye nnyo Swift ne Linki ne Global. So emenya nnyo ng'oli Shakira flying business class.
Alhamdulillah, yes.
That is very good.
I used to fly economy though, but I have a health issue with flying economy for so long because of it, to remember.
Yeah, of course.
Katigana magulu ganga tukagazimbye.
Gabaga kuluma.
Nga gannuma.
Yeah.
So the first time I traveled business, my ex yantekayo. And
so genda okutuka nga toyina buzibu.
I was sleeping, I woke up, took a shower, bichi. Ninga tali na kunyonyi, you know? Natuka ndi fresh and I'm okay.
Mu business muzukuka ne munaaba.
The first time I flew, it was actually first class. It wasn't business.
Hey, wali mu first class?
Yes.
Muzukuka ne
twali kunyonyi, tugenda kunyonyi. It was Emirates. Kati nensanga my ex there. Na ngomanya abasajja amubeera. He upgraded me to first class.
That is very good.
Nankwana. So he upgraded me first class, and that was my very first time holding a first class.
Okay.
So when Nigeria, you just sleep pretty much because the city so you just sleep, get up, shower, no gena koko lounge, bichi. Obanga atali munyonyi. Namba
ngenyonyi bwetambula. Eno bwonaba wewegira bwoti.
Yeah, I was like, oh, this part of the plane.
Eba bathtub, eba kanokanaka akomukono gwangali. Kabera
It was a shower actually.
Oh.
It was an actual shower with glass doors.
Bweweraba. Osanga mwe changwe sabuni yonna biki.
Everything Airbus. Bibera buli kimu kibamu, toothbrush, everything, lotion, perfume.
Idris Lukwago nkutumideko nyo my brother.
Perfume, spray, hair, whatever, what is it, dryer, conditioner, everything. Chibamu.
So kitegeeza akasente ka first class kali wathe. Bijirako.
Kali wathe ne kanji.
So gayo na aku upgrading okuteeka mu class nga akukwana bukwanyi.
Yeah.
Akulabye mulundi gusooka.
Yeah, yansanga ku kisaawe.
Katonda yakola abasajja. Ate manyi Katonda olunaku lwe yakola abasajja. Naye yamenyekamuko. Naga kampumulemu ntonze ekitonde ekisa. Nakujjawo nakuzza wali.
Yagenda wali ku counter. Nakola upgrade. Nagamba I want her to upgrade to first class. So nebamusaba sente zebamusaba nawaayo.
No settle ekifo nodda wali.
Nevayo netwa.
Mugenda mwogera ki olwo?
Ngende twelaba because twelaba nnyo though because ze wange naggalawo ne neebaka. Naye nga jja nankeberako.
Shakira, beera serious. Ate omusajja akutaddemu omusimbi ate n'omuggalira ebweru.
Because I was amused, like I was amazed, I was happy. Of course, mwogerako wano, but the thing with first class is like, it's more private. It's like a private area.
Yeah.
Like we no kumolujiro nga lugule. Kati the more you exchange is like oberanga you're reaching out, you
Kanavi.
Ngena ne mutula kawo.
Muchi.
Eti muna Uganda.
Muna Uganda.
So
kati mwayawukana. Ze nnyukuta ebbiri ziri ze mpulidde. A-E-I-O ne X.
Yeah. So Chimadongamba, that's the first time when I did in Yamunayi. And then the next time in a business. But once you start flying business to first class, so for Nachidi Chogambia points, you have to first sign up, no foca member, whatever it's. Then you start gaining points and travel miles. Before you know it, you're Skywards member, then you're gold member, silver, platinum. Kati the benefits zija, enyonye ina benefits nyingi. So once you become that person, you only fly business at a low price. Yeah.
That is very good.
Yeah.
Kati omwami ali kuki?
Jali, we're friends.
Muwuliziganya?
Not so much, but he reaches out, but we're friends.
Eno flight yali evaawo eddawo eno gye mwasinkanako naye.
Naliva California.
Ng'oddawa?
Nanzira Uganda.
Nga naye ajja Uganda?
Yes.
Mwatuukirawa?
Naye yangamba mmanyi andaba ku
mutimbagano.
Ku social media at the time. Nali sinalanga kuyimba though. No, nali nyimba byange just for fun a little bit. Sibi nebidi serious right now. Nagamba I know nkulaba bichi. I reached out once, you never reach out back.
Yeah, tewamuddamu.
But I understand, you know, maybe abantu ku social media bakutawanyanyo. And I'm just looking at him like, neka nawe. Until he's like, are you hungry? Do you want anything? Kati nangamba, what class are you flying? Konze yono chichi.
Ngolaba ajja nnyo nga speed yayitiridde.
You know, netwogera kawo netwogera natambula muko manyi airport eba busy. So eventually nangamba I'm flying economy da mbuza byaki. Nangamba oh I can upgrade you to my class. Konze what class are you flying? Nangamba first class. Konze okay.
Omwana w'obuwala.
When he did it nesoka nengamba
nga byaddala.
Okay. Can't put it on, no guy. It's very simple. So then I gave him a chance to, like, you know, get to know me, stuff like that.
So, Kampala mwatuukira wa?
No, remember when you're coming to Kampala, you have plans already. Maybe when I Ibrahim Gambians took up the family. So he knew my family was picking me up. Naye So we were like, okay, this is my number.
That is good.
And then after that, when I got here, I got to my family. He was in touch. He became a personal person.
I know.
And
I see.
And we went like that for like 5 years.
Hey. Wow. Anyway, it is chiba chirungi buli omu girlfriend or boyfriend way. I never yamusinkana in a mysterious way.
Definitely.
Nali nyumya ne mukwano gwange bamuyita Daniel Mugoya.
Okay.
He's a good friend of mine. Na ne mubuuza mukyala wo wamusinkana otya. Nangamba nali ngenze kupangisa nyonyi kajjansi eyo. Buno bunyonyi bwa kajjansi, you know that?
Helicopters.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nga ino omugaga gwagenzo kapangisiza omugaga bamuyita Kanaabi. Je yasanga omukyala.
So yeah.
Then omulala mukwano gwange nangamba nze mukyala wange anti musawo. Nali ngenze kunzijanjaba. Nali nfunyemu awo kabootongo nga ndi bubi kumutanta. That is how we met. Experiences impetitive nnyo.
Why did they break up?
So Banji, my friend Idris Lukwago yali anyumiza nangamba ye basinkana Idris akola ne CMI. So bali bagenze kubega.
Wow.
Into byambega ebyo. Buli omu abega munne buli omu. They ended up in love. So it is so interesting. So Shakira, 5 years down the road,
we broke up.
Things didn't work out, really?
Yeah.
I
know. Actually, you know what happened? What happened is, so I got serious with music.
Yeah.
With his support as well. And you know, people omuchagena ku support nga tamanyi kiraga.
Of course. Tutandika tetumanyi nti onagenda kubayambuke fan base yegeje bichi.
Yeah, you really don't know what to expect, right?
Yeah.
Even me as a musician, when I start singing, I'm doing it for fun and for love, but I don't know what to expect.
Yeah.
So at some point nedi mufukira problem.
Yeah.
You know, he started getting insecure. Who's that? Why are you doing this? I'm already gaga, you know, is this true? What's happening? So and so is touching you. So you just start, you know, having so many complaints. In good times, it's no longer sweet and interesting.
Buli time kubera kunyonyola.
Every time you're explaining. Because you have to explain this scenario. Family YouTube. Because first of all, the family didn't like me anyway. So
family yakwagala.
No, they didn't like me because I'm too crazy. You know, when people see you on stage, they think you're crazy. You know?
Kogamba tebaawula Shakira ku stage ne Shakira off stage.
Shakira mutabani wabe gwayagala nnyo. So, but when your family does not like you, it's like a contradiction in your relationship. Because you're going to keep telling me, oh, my sister said this, my sister did this. I'm like, you know what, honey, I'm done. I'm tired. Your sister did this, your sister sent you this. Bakula snap, you're doing this. They saw you on stage dancing with so and so. VDN every day, like, it's entertainment. It's art. You know me better than these people.
Balabaka video ngoline kalera kuba dance. Ako ka video kali kanzise. Kalera omuyita otya.
No, nothing.
Kalera is a brother to Daniel Mugoya.
Hey.
The other guy I was talking about.
Hey.
Kalera on comedian.
Hey,
yeah, he works with the Akolobana Radio plus comedy store.
Yeah, comedy store. I know what
yeah. Sure. Yeah. So, mugendo labanga tebitambula.
No ngendo liranga too much stress. Atako too manyi omuntu oba omwagala. It's enjoyable when you understand each other and trust each other. Because
when communication flows.
And besides that, if I'm dating you, Ibra, you know me better than whoever is watching TV. You know my flaws. Yeah. You know my pros and cons. You know my body. So I don't expect you to call me and be like, I'm already gagamba we got Shakira. How can you do this? I'm like, babe, really? Why? You even have you can access me more than even these people.
Yeah, balala.
Anytime you call me, I'm there. Anytime you need a date, I'm there. We need to see each other, I'm there. we talk about these things. Before it was nice, but I think it became a problem. Because you know this industry, there's a way they paint musicians. They'll paint you things, they'll talk about things you've even never done, you've never thought of.
He was too much.
He became too obsessive and too much, and he couldn't believe I could call it quits for that because I needed my mental peace back.
Mugoba nsonga kwa tuli Ibrahim Kasagemanya tuli na Shakira Shakiraa, the African omufirika gwe tuli naye akadde kano ku Extradigest mugoba nsonga banywanyi baffe aba Sun Cargo Shipping Company basabaze mali from China to Kampala. Sun Cargo Shipping Company bali ku Arwapak ogenda okubanga basangula kimu kitambule bulungi nnyo. Atenga yo Dushime's oba Dushime UK store. That is Arena Mall in Zambia, opposite Middle East Restaurant pop-up market. Ogendo kubanga basanga badushime balese products ezakabi strictly okuva UK oba London byonna byakabi. Ebintu bya bibiri authentic, ebintu bya byakabi nnyo atenga bitukanyira omutindo gwensi yonna. Gendayo tojja kubanga wejjusa babayise badushime UK store Arena Mall in Zambia. Atenga yo Hika water drilling services basima mazzi across Uganda. Bekwate buli kimu kitambule bulungi. Ayagala plumbing services, ayagala okusimira mazzi, ayagala repairs, everything to do with water. Kwatagana ba Hika water drilling services. Tulina Shakira. So 5 years down the road, erinnya bwerikula, music bwayambuka, things don't work out.
Number one fan, atanko kunstressinga.
No chita.
But you know what? I think it's better if we just take a break and maybe let me find my own peace. You know, let me focus on me right now because it's draining.
Yeah,
it's draining dealing with a person. Taking other peace away from you because media bichiba tuvuma internet
osobola ba containing naye atono gwobera naye buli lunaku
kimenya. I understand they don't know you know.
Kambuze kati olwo wali omaze okusitula ebintu byo n'obijja ewammwe n'obitwala ewuwe ngo because
just chikola anko
nze waliwo omuwala yali ayingira mu bulamu bwange nga buli lwajja ajja n'ekintu kimu tugenda okumala emyaka egi ng'ebyange bikendedde mu nnyumba mujjudde bibye yayitanga enakaseera awo n'agula ebintu noga nti kati akaguze gino emicungwa tujja kuginywa obujulizi bugende ni waliwo ebitatu n'agula dressing mirror n'ajjawo eyo n'agiteeka wansi w'ekitaano naga nti eyo nkadde n'agula ngenda okutunula mu nnyumba bwe nti nga ndaba ennyumba ejjudde omuwala singa omuntu ye naye nga buli lwendaba bwe nti buli lwenkyuka mu kkoona bwe nti ndaba bintu bye nze nali engatto nzeesindikira wansi wa kitanda n'agenda ensambi awo ku ttote w'abeesijjaawo n'abajjisa akantu k'engatto bwe kati akabaawo nituziteekako mba ndi awo nze nali ne seppici yali emu n'agula obuseppici awo yabugula wagundi awo yabugula mu kikuuba awo mba ndi awo aguze binika mba ndi awo aguze pakoleta yagigula ku gundi ajigulawa wano kwikotoriyo parking we balete ebikadde used owera nagula pako engamba naina 32 inch nagula 55.
Oh wow.
Ng'omuwala ajjudde mu nnyumba ngero omwana bwe yali agenda byonna yabitwala naddayo ku zero. So had you started that kind of life for you kutikka ebintu mpola mpola?
No, I've never lived with anyone like that. I believe once we start living like that, we should be officially, you know, together. Because in an interview or dating, you're pretty much getting to know each other, try to see if you can tolerate each other.
Yeah.
So you can come to my house because you're my man. I can come to your house, you know, but try to do it with you.
Okay.
Yes, not this better now.
So mutu ukokwawukana toyina kintu kye walekawo wadde toothbrush wadde buno obw'omu matu buno obucleaning amatu nti tewalekayo wadde kakombo wadde kintu kyonna.
I think my G-string.
Walekayo G-string yokka emu bweti.
Yeah,
yali yalangi
jukira later pink. Najujukira later.
On a sister wange, by the way, on a serious note, even if you social media, she's my sister, blood. Gwe. Waleka you string ya pink yoka.
Jukira later nengi saba na yaganira.
Aye. Oga promo UG. I see you, my brother.
I swear, honestly, yaganira.
Nakuwa nsonga ki?
Mukabere ne yange sase okugenda. It's like, let me hold on to this at least.
I know.
Actually, breakup is not easy because usually when you want to break up with somebody, you don't it doesn't happen right away. It's a process.
Ate kitwala ebbanga okuwona.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Kitwala ebbanga ddene. Nze bintu byemmanyi bibiri by'oluyinza okulwawo okuwona. Okufiirwa omuzadde ne break up your relationship.
N'omwana.
Ebintu oba n'omwana. Ebintu ebyo biraba. Osobola okumala emyaka nga tohiirinze.
Exactly.
So ye yasigaza akawaleko ak'omunda. Kabere nga kamugumya.
Yeah, so
I know.
You know, when you break up with somebody, you overeat and you talk. Abamu it goes the wrong way, but like it goes okay, depending on who you're dealing with. So I'm eat and it will get that. Then I remembered, oh, I forgot something there, and I got one. But you know, as you break up with somebody, they keep coming back. Abera texting, kubira, tomudam. Awaita wikibidi, they reach out, you know, and then you decide to move on from them. And then you meet someone else. Ogamba, let me try with this one. Yeah.
So bw'omuta kyakutwala ebbanga ky'okufuna omusajja omulala?
Honestly speaking, no relationship oba n'abantu bangi abalinze.
Nga bali mu queue. Balinze bali awo.
Not in a queue as such, but obawo n'abantu awo abakwagala. N'omukyala omufumbo basigala bamukwana, you know.
Of course.
Yeah, so when that happens, you know, it's hard to heal alone. People call it a rebound, right? But when you have somebody there that's very caring, gives you all the attention, you try to switch your attention to that person. Yeah. Because both they seem like they understand you, they understand your career, they understand who you are as a person, and they understand at this stage. So you're like, all right, let me try this person. I see. Now what bakukiriza kuba single, you know, bakutwala speed. So so I gave it a try with someone else.
Kati oyo go awa try go mulina ye kati oba naye stage ye yagwako.
Kati simanyi right now oba ndi single oba siri.
Naye yagwako.
Tuli awo wetu kyo simanyi oba ndi single oba siri.
Ani buzibu, who is the problem?
I can't say who the problem is. It's just, let me tell you something about being me. And I'll speak for other artists too, that a man is going to come into your life and has so much doubt. They don't believe Olina Boboka. Alina Wagambane, Shakira, there's no way. You know, Kundabikayo. So Aberamu with that doubt. Ajanga is skeptical about doing this. Once I fall for you, I want to spend my time with you. I want to be with you. I want to make this work with you. Until you doubt me. You know, it becomes another strain. You're like, you know what? So that's why I'm like, I don't even know if I'm single right now. Or
okay, relationship yo. Joli mukati jotali sure. Ne music. What takes the biggest percentage?
Right now I give it to my music. If you give it to a relationship, you're going to fail. Because then you're going to end up in depression, you know, because you're thinking about that person all the time, you know. So just focus on what you love doing. Yeah? Make yourself busy. Once you make yourself busy, everything else is going to fall in place. If it's meant to be, it will be. If it's not meant to be, so be it, you know. Omutufu jali. We don't mind omutufu.
In a moment jotuka onogama nti while I'm chasing music, let me also think about getting married.
Before marriage comes in, I usually like to I like us to be compatible first. You can tolerate Shakira, not Shakira Shakiraa. Shakira Shakiraa is different. Yeah. Shakira haja tuanjawulo, you know. So how is that? Like, let's talk about it. Let's see how things go.
Yeah.
Before I be like, hey, almost all of a sudden, jana gama ja kuchala. Like that.
Mu weekend mu.
Eh. Nze banyanjula ko in 1 month.
Tekisoboka. Katukole ku bulango babakama baffe tukomewo. Awo wenyini hold it there. Extradigest mugoba nsonga agamba atya Mukaya living
events.
Yeah man, Mutegesi wa Bivuli is my good friend. Twatoba naye downtown yawo mu Kikuubo ne ku Ben Kiwanukawo. Biseera biringa nkyayiribanga ngenda Tanzania ne Kenya eyo nga ngatta obulamu. So Mukaya Livingstone, my brother Mukaya Events. Nkwagala nnyo blood oli wakabi nkutumiddeko nnyo. Thank you so much for watching wherever you're watching from. Banywanyi baffe abadushime yuke store kwa Arena Mall balese byakabinga byabasajja strictly omukyala ali eyo ngoyagala omwami walabike bulungi nawe omwami yagala okulabika obulungi okuviira ddala ku perfume sprays deodorants toothpaste wallets misipi sawa masuti casual wears ngatto socks everything to do with men genda ku Dushime yuke store Arena Mall opposite Middle East restaurant atenga yo Sun Cargo Shipping Company ku Arua Park basa bazemal from China to Kampala bekwata buli kimu kitambule bulungi abahika bajja kusimira amazi buli kimu kitambule bulungi nnyo. Shakira,
yeah.
Ba wakola okwanjula kwa mwezi gumu novaayo.
No, actually what I mean is the person got to know me for like less than a month. Nayenga antwala like ngayagala chagala. So
mugo mwezi ogumu yakolera mu kyebi byali ebinje nnyo speed.
Abasajja they when I'm in a game in Jawolo, you all have your own way of getting to a lady and you know enticing the woman. So yakola ebintu bingi I can't even explain. But his main thing was like, you're the woman of my dreams. I feel like I've known you for so long.
Yeah.
And once you and once you include your parents, there's a way your parents are going to push you to like, yeah, give him a chance. Yeah, I got a
Uganda.
Yeah,
okay,
Uganda.
That's good.
I got so I gave it a chance and it didn't work out. It even last a month. Like about 29 days.
Nechikomao.
Nechigana.
Relationships zino zonna zozobeeramu ne zihitinga the rocks. Ani abasinze okufuna mu munne gwe n'omusajja? In any way.
Katishaninkire kweruwa.
The other one of the plane. Nekyemanya ennyonyi si ye yasooka. Waliko mu ndala.
Ennyonyi eba relationship. Eba real relationship.
Before that one ennyonyi ey'oku upgrading a class y'ennyonyi wali obaddeko mu meka emabega?
I had my first cut.
So after the first cut y'ennyonyi eyaddako?
Embeera waawo wento ya.
Okay.
Yeah.
So zino zonna like eriwa gy'osinza okufunamu n'ogamba nti yes it ended but honestly I don't regret my time.
Do you think they even end?
Paka nakati w'ennyonyi akyaliko?
They don't end.
Owennyonyi akyaliko kati paka nakati.
I'm telling you, men never go.
Owennyonyi akyaliko n'ennaku 29 n'akyaliko. Ne first cut akyaliko.
Ibra, men never go for good. Gw'omukyala gweno sala nti nasalawo siddayo.
Abantu bano bo bakoledde biki ebyo? Okola ki ekyo ekibalemezaako?
No, there's
nze bwentwa omukyala mba mutadde. Ntabali.
There is not really magic.
Tetuyomba, tetulwana, naye siddamu. Era kinene nnyo, bwankubira I respond. Bwa textinga I respond. Bwansanga nangamba, "Hello, muddamu." Teruba lutalo, sikola lutalo.
Why do you think she's calling and texting?
Simanyi.
Kyenkugamba.
Oshegeera. So, obakulira ki kino abasajja okulemezaamu bwe bati?
No, kyenkugambye olina okusalawo gwe ng'omukyala nti I'm done with Ibra, I'm done. Now I'm dealing with, let's say, Oba Brian, Oba Moses. Whoever is there.
Yeah.
Let me focus on Brian. Ibra, beyond some nabimala, he's distracting me, Ibra in the car. But like I said, Musajja abeera persistent. Ng'alemera kale na hope masa ojja kukola ki? Ojja gezaako, ojja kukomawo.
Oba olina ekyenjawulo ky'obakolera ne kibakyusa timing.
I can't really sit here and tell you, you know, but men share. They share with the women they've been with. I like you because of this. You're really this kind of woman. Yeah. Shakira, you're this. Let's give this a try. All my is okay. Najanga alagira that a little different, a little changed. Like, okay, let me give it another try. And then again. And then he changes again, and you're like, you know
this
what?
Time round, no mugamba.
You're like, you know what, this time, no. You're like, no.
But Makaba Kakuba you turn Jolly never done over what chance, the second chance.
I think it's one person.
One person.
That I'm dealing with right now.
Again that was da. Obote one, obote two.
It's one person. And the reason I'm doing that is because you don't wanna invite someone new into your life.
Because you have to deal
with this person. You know, so you share your body with them. You're like, let me try. Let me, you know, it's rather the devil I know than the angel I don't know. You know, let me try and fix this devil and see if it's fixable. You know, because with time fixes things. So ndaba obudobo. Than this one. And this one is still trying to come back. It's still trying to want to be with you. So you're like, you know what? Fix yourself. Fix yourself. I'm not going to let anybody in, but I need you to prove what you're saying this time. It's going to take you a while, but try.
Abasajja bano bateeka muko ku kasente oba be bakuteeka mu bokka.
Sina musajja gonna enter them center.
Lwaki?
It has never happened to me. It has never.
Oli just stingy.
Sifuna nko musajja nga nsaba.
Nga wakuteeka mu sente.
Funanga the opposite thing. Sifuna nko musajja nga ngaba Shakira mpayo mutwalo.
Bwakera najja. How do you handle that? Nga wakuteeka mu.
I think something in me is not attracted to such men.
Keith Kanavi, I see you, my brother. Keith, tosobola muntu era mukasente.
You know what? Like, I feel like any man needs to step up and be a man. Because if I'm gonna invest in you, then I'm not gonna respect you.
I know.
I'm not gonna give you the respect you need. I'm gonna go with that. Oh, baby, I need food. Which we fumbide nawe. You know.
Nzate echanta mebweru eyo. Abantu baberanga abayisinganya muhoro. Omusajja yefumbira n'omukyala ne yefumbira. Bye bigenda okunemesa okugenda e Bulaaya.
No, it depends on the person you get actually. Because I know people ngate bali we bati. So many. Yeah. So many abantu bali US like people in the
omukyala afumba mwami ne balya.
Omukyala afumba. I'll give you an example. My sister is going to kill me. My sister is a doctor, right? I know mwami way. But she'll cook for him every day. She'll feed him. Things like any woman is supposed to do for their man. So there is
women miyayo gye tumanye tulina emiswaswangule nze nina omuswaswangule gwe mmanyi
jagendera ku
ne gusiika waawe girimu ne gwa waawe naawe ojja kusiikawo liri weeriire
and to respect him. So there is women gye bali abakyala nga they still carry that, you know, that culture in them.
In economics and accounting tulina kye tuyita auditing okubala ebitabo. Wali otuddekaawo n'obala ebitabo n'ogezaako kola checks and balances, bookkeeping okumanya nti kati mu period bweti ne bweti omusajja yanteekamu millions bweziti ono yanteekamu bweziti ono yanteekamu bweziti. You know, auditing is something very funny. But mu life muno tosobola kukwata ssente nga tosobola kubala bitabo. Okubala ebitabo is beyond okubala nti kimu bibiri. Okubala ebitabo, expenditure, income and whatever. Wali tuddekaawo n'obalirira abasajja bo bano bonna noga nti ono yandeekamu emitwalo gya dola bwegiti because kati gwe tubalira mu dola tetujja balira mu siringi noga nti ono yanteekamu 8 ono wa mitwalo 5 ono wa 10. Wali tuddeko n'okibala ekintu ekyo?
Basically situla kibala, but basically I can tell this person really spent money on me.
Omusajja akyasinze kuteekamu Shakira sente yakuteekamu emitwalo ng'emeka egya dola. Akadola?
Yes.
Tone senabulya totagala. Totagala blood.
No, sometimes.
Nsaba tuyite nnyo ku Salama Road Express gireke motoka zidduka. Paso gijje ku Express ojja kufuna obuzibu.
Otazikwata n'azikuwa. It's just the trips the things he buys you, the things he does for you. It's just
waliwo omusajja yali akutaddemu $1 million.
Nzinga ziwera
$1 million.
Yo omusajja ayinza okugulira emmotoka nga ya $5,000, you know. Nakutwala ku trips nemu taking a private, you know, flights. He'll buy you something expensive and you're like, receipt what baby. Boy yagala jizzayo bakuddize sente zo.
I know.
Naye agamba no baby.
Ngakufirika kali kakomyewo kakomawo.
No love sawa nga agiguze. Mfalo gumu 12 you're like, wow, you know. Agamba babe, where is the receipt? Agamba no, it's a present. You want to take it back? Like chimunyiza no gava nange.
Ngulabe sente.
Agamba I want to take it back so I can do something with that money, but abasajja muli funny. Gobo chikola ngomanyi you're impressing the woman.
Kumbe
ze ndaba you wasting money.
Tuli ku Extradigest mugoba nsonga. By the way, reminder, teweerabira tulaba. So ogenda gulaba yono na sente. Ate ye alwana nnyo ofune essanyu.
Alwana nnyo ofune ebintu by'ebbeeyi, which is good. Don't get me wrong. Ebintu ebirungi. It makes you look classy. It puts you in a different class, you know, a different level in life. But for your being good, give me that cash. I need to do something with that cash.
Akyasinze kuteeka mu sente approximately wagenda okubala abalamu nga million, almost $1 million.
Almost egwawo.
Okay, njagala tutunuulire. Akyasinze kuteeka mu sente ntono zaali mmeka?
Simanyi. Ntono?
The list. Because kati tufuna comparison. Tuli mu auditing kati.
The list over maybe nga $15 over.
Mitwalo $15.
Oh, the list, the list maybe like maybe ngebi.
$1.
Yeah, maybe.
Oyo nange musinga.
Yeah. 29 days eyo.
What 29 days? Hey.
Actually no kati okwanjula sikubaze. Plus the kwanjula it would be more because okwanjula you spend more money.
Okwanjula mwakukolera wano oba America?
US.
Nene Shakira. 9th October abasajja bano bali kuwadde omudaali ekololo. Simanyi nteekateeka ya mwaka guno.
For what?
Simanyi Daniel Mugoya obeera nnyo mu parliament ne Idris obeera nnyo mu bintu by'abasajja aba government. There is a way njagala omwana ono bamurecognizing.
Why?
Mu family yaffe tetunnafunayo omudaali. Bakuwa omudaali Shakira obikoze biweddeyo. Kyekirala kati.
Not ebiweddeyo, it's just meeting the right and wrong people. That's it.
Bw'oba oyita ku social media n'osanga ebifaananyi bino ebyokwanjula bikuyisa bitya nga tokyaliyo.
Tebiriyo.
Batugabiri. Nze nina mukwano gwange. Yali awadde omukubi w'ebifaananyi obutwa. Nga yagala aveewo. Ng'aguza abayaye bookye studio. Kiki? Keith Kanabi nkutumiddeko nnyo. Tebiriyo. Naye nga baali babikuba.
Kiringa kimu. But
lwaki wabibuzaawo?
Sabibuzaawo, Ibra. Sabibuzaawo, it didn't work. It's just tebiriyo. Tebisobola kubaayo. Tebiriyo. It didn't work out. It happens though. It's just a to the public figure, but it happens to people who are not even in the public, even worse.
Yeah, of course. Nze nali mukwanjula leero mu wiiki 2 netusaanawo 2 weeks golina wanaku 29 oyina nze 2 weeks ng'omukolo mmye kwanjula kwali awo kyanja.
It happens.
Yeah, omuwala oyo mutumiddeko nnyo kati abeera Canada. Abawala bange abo bonna nagamba mbaleke babeere mu private life yaabwe bambi they moved on. Abeera Canada kati twakola okwanjula ene okwali kukyala bo ne babikola ne babiwanvuya ne tugula certificate z'emmenga awo tukoze ebintu bingi awo Buganda biki bana speeding y'amaanyi. So ali Canada kati, she's married. Alina n'abaana 2 actually kati. Twali kyanja awo nga wakayita ku Kensington awo buyumba bwa Ferdinand mu maaso awo ng'ogenda kutuuka ku Toto waliwo ekyambuka gye twakolera okwanjula ku family eyo bambi njagala nnyo paka nakadde respect me nange mbawe ekitiibwa. Twakola okwanjula mu weeki 2 nga tutukyaliwo ffenna nga kusaanyeewo.
Ebibaawo, it happens.
kati goli wannaku 29
sister mu family yaffe ndozo bamuulirako mbaga yaliwo nga baawukanye but they had to go on because of ekitibwa kya family abantu bali bamaze okubayita and they went ahead and did
ntumirako abamperekerako mu kwanjula n'embaga n'okukyala kwekyanja saabayisa bulungi but nenkola okwanjula okulala era nako mmye kati kyova olaba nattamuko ku bigere nyinza obbanze buzibu. So Shakira, abasajja bano bakuwa ku sente enkalu besides the material gifts and whatever? Like nga uli wanaga nti maze okulaba leero genda nkuwaddeyo ekyebiri oba omutwalo oba eb'ettaano.
Nze siddinga nk'omusajja agamba maze okulaba nkuwadde. No, don't do that. I feel like you're buying me. Don't do that to me.
So how, like kati
on a daily basis he will give you upkeep every day.
Upkeep ngabera nga wameka meka.
Waba ali Uganda maybe akola kakade every day.
Tekisoboka naawe. Wagwanga choyo.
You can't do No, let me tell you, there's men that have even higher potential than that. Chebali.
Fao.
No, I'm telling you the truth. Ngeshenyo kalaja kwa yensanvu.
Kati bobo mulabidde nnaku 3 ng'ensanvu ng'egwa bwetyo.
Anti siyogera kwa nnaku 3 njogera kuwa myaka gwe nali naye.
Mukyentegeeza bwakulaba leero n'akwokya katugamba akakadde olwali bubi nnyo tayinaamu naddamu n'akulaba enkirera kwongera akakadde.
I don't know.
Mubajjawa bano.
I don't know if that. No, teacher watched your Ibra. I told you I met him on a plane. Then you know, this but I don't even know how to call you and ask you for money. No. Musajja, wali abasajja when you're dating him nakubira. Oh, did you have anything for lunch? But babe, sinababishi. Okay, let me send you something for lunch. You're like, oh, okay. Next time okay, babe, you're going to lunch. I'm going with my friends. And you're like, oh, okay. Yeah, and you take your friends out. So every day for the routine.
Very fine bulungi nnyo very fine.
Yeah.
Chetuliko bakimanyi no ku ground.
Not everyone is struggling.
I know.
Who's struggling and not everyone is struggling.
Extradigest mugoba nsonga Ibrahim Kasage manyagange tulina Shakira. Of course lwaki tuleeta bana abantu abali prominent oba abali mu limelight is because tuagala omanye the other side of life. So that you stop judging them, you stop drawing conclusions. Mubeereyo ku social media notandika okubeera mu conclusion yo yali bwati minus okuwulira from the horse's mouth. So tubaleeta bano owulire the other side of story otegeere the real life gwe kyobaddeeko nga oli mu assumption kirala nnyo ku ye kyali mu kugamba olunaku olwaleero because teri akusinga kumanya bulamu bwo, it is you. Yes. Gwe yeemanyi okusinga abantu bwe bakulowoleza ati bakumanyi. So abasajja bano abasajja bali fane ebiseera bisinga omusajja bulirwa nze nina mukwano gwange akola ku TV mu Uganda mukyala asoma mawulire naye buli mwaka azaala. Mukyala mulungi nnyo kati bawe ali so insecure buli mwaka mufunisa olubuto n'azaala buli mwaka. That's an obsession. So abasajja bano tekubaddeeko balwanye kufunisa lubuto n'obabuuka n'obatebuka.
No, Ibra, when I'm in a relationship, I'm going to be in the same house. In the same house. And usually, okay, I'll give you an example. Like him, he travels a lot. You know, I don't know if Mutunga traveling so much. They're so busy. You know, we mainly to communicating by phone, email. Yeah. You know, so we maybe like twice a month. Depending on our schedules. But as long as you're in touch, you communicate all the time. He makes sure you're fine. When you're saying they want to make sure they're in control. You know, is your mom this? Is your jaja this? Where are you going? I'm going to the village. Oh, okay, let me send you a car. Let me send you money. You don't even need to ask. I tell you what presently. Like he's not physically there. Making sure are involved in your daily life.
Thank you so much.
Because not all men can. So that's how it's been, you know. Babe, did you get the money? He knows he's supposed to do that. I don't have to call him. Unless if something happens, okubira twafiiridwa baby oh you didn't tell me
Yeah.
let me tell someone so akutereko something you know for your family.
Yeah.
So gye bali abasajja bwe batyo, trust me, ezo nantono what you balinga they even, it's more than that, like osanga omulala nagamba, then there is different nature of men omulala omusanga nagamba babe no, I think you wanted this land, let me give you this, so yongerezeko this
ofune ettaka.
Yes, I want you to have something. What do you know? Watch. Nga itagenda kutijisa mbwa akuweereza sente all the time.
Akola bikalu.
Agamba kati noli akuwanyo sente, it's up to you to calculate the money. Exactly.
Yeah.
And find something to do with the money as opposed to going out every day. You have to calculate it, put it together and do something with it. You know? Times anakumanya chiwazi kozem.
Chechi chaisa abasajja bwe batyo. Oyinza kuwa nsonga ki milioni 45 z'abana Uganda zitulaba right now. Oyinza muwa nsonga ki nti omusajja ngoyo wa muchayi.
You know, when we're dating abantu bano. It's like living in a mansion. Omukazi najivamu nagenda nabera muziko. Agamba asikachi. Let me go.
Sika gorofa.
Yeah, let me go. Sika benzi kanjirekewo, no, I'm tired. So, ono musajja, as they do that, by now this other side of them, whereby they feel in control. Ate wasanga omukazi nga tali so dependent. Since I'm not dependent on a man. If you come in, it's a bonus. You know, if you do those things, it's a bonus. If you don't do it, I can still live without you. So, you're taking away my peace. Like, yes, I need the trust. I need you to be able to trust me. Yeah. Sagala nyonyole public, atana we nkunyonyole. You know what I mean? Like, you're my partner. You're my better half. I'm looking at you for the long run. You know? So you know me. Nkubira tunyume tuchiseke. Shakira bagambi wabadde nono. I'll tell you how it was and why it's like that. Why I think it's coming out like that. And I need you to understand. Not you not understanding me and then your family and take up zibu, you know. And then you're like, you know, I don't think you should continue singing. I don't think you should continue doing this. Those are the kid will shoes, the kid will come about, the kid will call about. Like, I took about being he can't control his emotions. He can't control his feelings towards you. He becomes pretty much like a good monster. What do you call him? They're a good monster in your life. Yes. So, like, you know what? Oh my God. Maybe you're going on stage, you're in that mood. Now could be spirit here najitwala. And you're like, why did I even pick up that phone call? You know? Or what? Nobody wanted to. They show up. I'm here, get out. Come out. Oh yeah. Yeah, bro, of course. Ibao. Eza okuba aizo batali mu Uganda ogenda nga wali ngali ku mulyango go. Ngatuse. Nenga azze mu muoze.
Nga asasude ticket kujja kuyomba.
Oh yeah.
Never dog. Abagagga si bantu.
Nga jali tateredde. You know? Then men will start saying things that really damage your esteem. No wonder my family told me. No wonder this. Like, you're like, really? Dude, really? Bye, dude. Go. No, because now with the money, into you're saving yours. You know? You're using his. And I get no color.
Nze kandia kasente kange ebyo nabira badda.
No, mine is supposed to give. Yes.
Kandia kasente kange n'abaana bange. Naye Keith kanabyo byamutuukako nayiga nawe kati oli mu kunsomesa. Tulina Shakira. Oyina point wotuuka bazadde bo ne bagamba tuleetera omusajja osetolinge twagala mulaba.
Of course. No, situated omusajja agamba. Okay, let's say Ibra yali agamba. Kati mwene Ibra muli kuki. What's next? Like, daddy, you know, this and this. Abibawo. We kiddiza mweyanje. They just nenga gwe something to do with the heart, you know. Obo gamba.
Things are not working out.
I know the money is there, but daddy, no, Linda call, you know. Let's give him more time. Because olaba tuli wano bwe nabeera mu nnyumba ye. What's gonna happen? You know? Like, Dad, it's okay. Tikatwinza kumanya, you know, just, you know, parents. But then, yeah, it happens.
Crossing over to music, but before we cross over to music, your professional career, of course the music, professionally, careers as a musician, ate umsawo as well. Backward dressing about your line of saw. Are you a nurse? Are you a doctor? What are you?
Oh, nurse.
You're a nurse. Wasomachi no kuguka muchi.
RN.
Chechi, chitegezache.
Registered nursing.
Bakola batya abo bibaliwa.
It's an associate degree in nursing.
Okay.
You become an RN. You go take the state board, then you get certified, you get a license, and then you go work in. Right now, you can actually work in a hospital because things changed. But it's better to have a BSN. BSN is like a bachelor's in science, in BSN science of nursing. So it's better you get that because jokomo kufuna more money in that field. So you pretty much work under orders of the physician.
Oh, you have guidelines, eh?
Yeah. Something he would do something, but you're going to do it for him with his what? His orders. Ogena chikola. So I mean, mbajikendeza kuba doctors.
Baba we ura. Baba jako workload.
Nebajikwa nurses, but with the doctor's signature as well. Doctor's approval. You know. Now obo manyicho okola. But still you need that approval. So babera back in the zemiri mujaba doctors. Because doctors are not so many and they have so much to do. So they just leave like orders and, you know, instructions. Now obo bimanyi naye obera ne backup eyo. Oh, the doctor approved me to do this. I did this. So that's what really nurses are for.
So omulimo gwo gukolede bbanga ki?
I think nagukolede for like since I had my kid. For like 5 years now. 5 years, eh? Yeah. Right now, because I've been so much here. Yeah, been so much into music, so ndudo bikola.
Okay. Checha kuvirako genda okusoma gundi eyo dancing eyo.
When I had my child, of course, ne support from my family. Yeah, because I'm from a family full of doctors, nurses, and engineers. So. Okay, let me just do this as a backup plan for me, my daughter, in my future. So nechikola, nechigwa, then ndio kafukasinga ne ku music as well. So
kati music yatwala budde obusinga than omulimu gw'obusawo guli.
Definitely.
Okay, tutunulire omwana wali atya? Era ali how long?
Ali 6 years now.
Abeera nani buli oberanga toli oli
abeera with my family in the US.
Okay.
Abeera ni jajawe ni sister wangu gwe nkugambye ne bawe. She has kids. So ali mu environment. Jali.
Tata omwana aliwa?
Aliwa.
Muwuliziganya?
Of course, do you know mwana? Yeah, we do.
Besides omwana kyekirala kibagatta?
Mwana.
Tewali kirala?
No mukwano gutugatta respect and friendship for each other.
That is very good.
Yeah.
Mu Buganda oli mchala Muganda.
Yes.
Mu Buganda bagamba omwana takula yekka. Do you know what it means?
Akuba ali ne jajawe. What? Ali yekka.
Mu Buganda bagamba omwana takula yekka. Gwe ngo bagamba ali ne jajawe.
Ne jajawe ne sister wange. Ne bunisi wange.
Literally it means omwana tebamuzaala yekka bamuzaako. Yes.
Takula yekka. Oh, tebamuzaala yekka ino kufuna sibling.
Thank you so much. So how far?
So you're pretty much ombuuza nazaala ddi omulala?
Absolutely.
Actually, njagala yo maybe next year. Njagala bwananga bubiri.
Ne mutato omwoyo.
Simanyi alakyageze no simanyi. Tata netuli fenna. We are very close friends, good friends. Netuli involved. You don't know.
I know.
I really don't know.
Extradigest mugoba nsonga Ibrake Mukasa ne Shakira Shakiraa. Shakira tutunulira music wo. Ojawa idea yo kuyimba era otandika ddi okuyimba. Era what prompted you to start music?
Actually, before I moved to the US, I used to be involved in entertainment here, in my school, at home. Ganjagala music, especially Western music.
Wasomera wa?
Wano. Somera masomero manji. I went to St. Lawrence. I went to Green Hill. I went to Wange Girls. I went to Nabisusa. Yeah, so Namgongo Girls. Masomera genjawulo, Creamland campus. So after that, I moved to the US. Kati US waliyo show by American Idol.
Yeah. Ndajirabanga ku TV.
Kati nganjegomba, I'm like, tutukoyo tutyeyo. So it prompted me to go to that show and be a part of it. So I went and contested.
Wakoma ku level chi?
Level ya Simon. Manyi Simon your level, my dear. People don't know.
Man.
No, it's a level.
Yeah, man.
Olabanga omwala beba ghetto kids ku Britain. Tebavudo ne bagenda. No.
Stages.
You go through what was staff boyitamu awo.
Banji baviramu eyo.
Baviramu awo because abantu baba banji. You know, and they cannot see everybody. So by the time otukira ofuna call back ya Simon. Bagamba now you're coming to audition for the judges. That means you're going to be on TV.
Yeah. So walabikira ku TV.
Oh yes.
That is very good.
So I auditioned for Simon, Simon, Victoria Beckham, and Randy Bibadiwo. And when I auditioned, I think it was like in June, July, and the show aired.
Victoria Beckham, Chala Beckham. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, Kupano then. So when I auditioned, it was June, July, but the show aired in January. Okay. So the show aired in January. So when the show aired, they showed me on TV. They showed my audition. So when I got in Abeyiwa, Massachusetts. They don't even know that getting to those people. Because they showed me and I was crying.
I was
crying. Because getting to that level, by the time you get to the Simons, you have this high belief in yourself and you want it so much. Because when umukusoka naringa azanya. Wanabaita nti auditions ziri Boston muje fenane tugenda.
Ngatomanyi naje bigenda kuggwera.
Nayimba na lwimba lwa Chandiru.
Lwimba je?
Gold Digger.
Wow.
So because nalabanga really more high notes ne wa one since I was like, let me first bring my Ugandan thing to them dabe. So the first judges were judge mwana na buto babukusinga no buto. Gamba muberanga kumi Nabugamba 2 come here, 3 come here. Back row you didn't make it, front row you made it. Kat front row nga dimwendi.
Abasigale bagamba mudde waka. Mugende muli ebaga. Go.
Yeah, you go to the next stage of it. Next stage of it, let me have you up front. You made it. The rest, you're like, So then you go to the next judges as well. Then then they take your names. They take the paperwork. No juzamu, where you from, your names, camera.
Things are getting serious.
Imagine,
yeah.
So you're like, you're digesting it. You're like, okay, you know. So then you go watch you go see the directors of the show. Because now you know about auditioning. Wabasanga batu down in a room. The audition for them, basaja bazei, bagaga. They're like, oh, I like you. I'm going to push you to the next level.
Yeah.
Then you go to the next show. Then that show, bagamba, we're going to send you an email if you made it to come and audition for who? For the judges. So no day one way. You wait for the email. When the email came in, you to book and to gamba, no one ticket, Vichy, and then you fly and go audition for who? For Simon, Vichy. Kawo tu ka appreciate so high. I will know him bakutera okutebo.
Wow.
Obane seat number. Kati let me say your seat number is 440. Kati 440 waba we linyero nga kuliko list erike nyimba ko ino londa.
Everything is reserved for you.
Yes. You have a room, everything is special. You know, too many cameras, katwalaba n'abantu benyini bolaba, baserebu bolaba bulijjo on TV, you're facing them. So then they call you next to the room erimu cameras nyingi abantu nga 10 ne wali ku TV balaga gwe ne judge. Ne room you can even pee on yourself. Like it's a lot of people in there. So many cameras. So then I auditioned. What's her name? Victoria Nangamba. I don't think you're ready to compete. I don't think you're ready to compete. This is an intense competition. I like your style. Oh, I like her. I like her style. I like her. Nagana. When she said that, I just started crying. Like, remember, you're already shaking. No auditioning. You're nervous.
Bw'obajjukira ko yo level gye mwaliko ey'okusinkana ba Simon ne mukyala wa Beckham Victoria. Mwali musigadde abantu nga bameka, if you remember?
I think we were like 40 something.
40?
Yeah.
Okay.
During that, we picked it out. They were in that hall. We were like 40 people. And you get there in the morning. You get there the day before, then in the morning you go. You then you audition later. Because they keep calling numbers. It's like 3 minutes. Mommy, it's annoying. So I'm gonna buy on and kaba kati.
Wagenda kujjako musayi.
Kati balaga party ngankaba ngavuddeyo. So you guys are like, oh my God. Mwala biki nekiwala kyatwazizza biki.
Eh, bannayuganda be bali boogera mu community.
Yes.
Nze bwe ngenda eyo mbeera neekweka bwekwese.
Naye nga tiwaliwo n'abagamba you're an American Idol, Shakira. Nga wabiva nakodda wabyerabira because by then I was with my first cat. Kati ng'ate yambirivingira mu nnyo. Don't worry, babe. Don't worry. Bigger doors are going to open, you know.
So that is how your music career starts.
Yes.
So background ya music music career yo etandikira mu American Idol.
Yes.
Then no crossing anojja kati gye tukulabira.
Yes.
So after those competitions watula onolowooza okwetabako mu competitions endala?
Yeah.
Zaali ki?
I went to The Voice. They email you once they get your email. There's something about them. They keep emailing you. There's this audition coming up. Do you want to try this? Do you want to try
Some
this?
Voice.
X Factor.
Yeah, name X Factor walimu.
X Factor, because Simon Yagamba, they're going to send us an email. He has an X Factor show coming. Yeah, X Factor show teyawangala mu America. I think yalimu like 4 or 5 seasons neggwako.
So wetaba mu X Factor. Nogenda no competing mu
The Voice. The Voice yonga nkambwe, my dear.
Wakoma ku level ki mu The Voice?
The Voice nkambwe, they don't even look at you. You know? All they want to hear is you sing.
Then they contact you.
Yeah, then they contact you.
Oba
the oitawo. Ku video whatever audition. Then they bakuita. Webakuita, then you go and audition for them. Then they tell you we shall email you back. If you don't get that email,
omanya baku drop in.
Baku drop in.
So your X Factor wakoba ku level ki?
X Factor nayo same thing. Like X Factor is like it's an X Factor tell you going to yimba nyo bolichi. It's just X Factor happened during the time I had so much going on. Because what you said benye baku emailing, oh, we're going to be here, we're going to be there, because you're in their system. It's like auditioning for an acting role. Acting roles are going to pop up in your email. Then you take them or you reject them. So when it came, that one I didn't really take it so serious. I just didn't take it serious. And I didn't turn to call on music, which you just let me just focus on my private whatever music.
So those are the only competitions they were taking a part in?
Yes. Okay,
so music. Osalawo kwembakenga ku music. What was your first single?
Mfanawe.
Walukolera wa?
Nalukolera wano.
Lwakola lutya?
No, it wasn't serious. I used to come for like 2 weeks in a year. Before that, ngazija nembera nga wala abasama we bajja, like the diaspora people would come and check on their families once a year for 2 weeks. So that was me. Yeah, within those 2 weeks nakola yakaima ne video, then I go. Ngambireka ku YouTube, I just go.
So luyimba ki olukwe establishinze mu music audience ya Uganda? Abantu batandika okugamba nti ya omukyala oba omwana w'obuwala Shakira azze.
I think the very first one was Andre's song or a celeb. Then nekudako Raltalo. Yeah, but the celeb song yajani scandals zayo. I think you remember that time, right?
Bichi ebituufu ebyali ku luyimba olwo, bichi ebyobulimba ebyayogerwa ku luyimba ku project eyo?
Yes, celeb. Everything that was said was a lie. And then evangelization until you have to ignore it because it kind of helps you as a musician to get like people to get to know you. Then it's the wrong promotion. But then it's the right way to promote yourself. People get to know you. Every news is news. If bad news is good news, it's news. It impacts you somehow. So that happened because they're in the US. You know, I wasn't here. So that then was I'm in love. It went viral. So
nice video, nice audio.
Even when you step on stage, people scream. So then it got serious like that.
Oh, project eno jokoze ne Rain.
Lokomoti.
Yeah. Lukoze rutya.
Lukoze bulungi wansi. It's a wansi song.
Ndwagala nange. Nduulira ku radio nga balukuba lutambula si bubi. It's a good song. It's that cultural, you know, local song. It's a local song and people like it. You know how you know is when you're on stage or when you go to perform for people. That's how you know Nolimba Baragala. Like again performing Irako with the Queen Nabagereka. And that's the song she liked. Lokomoti. Yeah. Bingi ebyayogerwa ng'ogenza okuyimbira mama wa Buganda. First, otuukayo otya? Watuukayo otya?
We were contacted by someone yatukubira nagamba, oh, I'm gonna need you for a private what? Function. Sure. We're gonna entertain like about 6-7 people. Yenga tagamba what's gonna happen. Tagamba who. So then Adam nakumugamba, then you agree to the price and everything. Then Adam nakunagamba then sabo yambale boti ne boti. We're like, okay, because sigwe gusoso tukubira privately. So then we showed up ne tugenda tukawalinga, boom, no wali. Neba kwanobi.
No muyimbira.
Yeah.
Olimbo lolo amusanyusanya.
Yeah, Lokomoti.
Shakira. Njagala tutunuulire promotion y'oluyimba olwo teaser nga lujja lwemwakola ne Rain. Kwaliko ebifaananyi nga byansi yonna tebibangawo. Ani yaleeta idea ya photoshoot eyo? Era ani yali director of photography?
Yali director yali Hands. Bamita Hands.
Nalaba ebifaananyi nga sibirabangako.
Photoshoot is management. Like you know, when you're releasing a project, you plan for it. So it was management. Ne tugende wa Hands. Kati ebyo byali ideas za Hands. Yeah. Mkolewe mti kwata wano kwata wali derede. Kati
yenga Rain ayisibwa ate era nga awulira atya.
Muchamufu.
Yali muchamufu.
Very.
Kasajja kattu kuva mu kyalo yiri mityana. So, oluyimba luno lukoze, nnyimba zo zonna z'oyimbye n'abayimbi bano zikoze. Oyina w'otuula n'olaba nti the kind of the musician you are, it is collabos that sell you out. Did you realize that?
Yeah, it's collabos that actually mainstream more. I think it's because of the people you work with and the platform Jabaina and the mileage they have. Yes, because you could work with somebody in Ebitakola.
So ekyogenda kikola otya?
Ekyaki?
Ekyokuba nti collabos zino zikutunze nnyo compared to singles. And if I may ask, oyinayo singles mmeka?
I have to count. Ziwera. But they have not sold out like these ones. So ekyogenda kikola otya? Kitegeeza zino zennyimba ezikutunda. You just keep producing music. You never know. Maybe that one single will come to. You know, as long as you love something, Ibra, keep your mind to it and focus on that and just improve in every aspect you need to improve in. So just keep producing music and making better music and becoming a better musician and a better artist, and until you retire from it. Then so be it. You just don't know what's gonna happen. Just keep going. you know, because they find base and weird. You know, today they love you, tomorrow they don't. Today they switch, tomorrow they're there. Nabakuvuma baba kwagala.
Church singo kwogerwako nga si kituufu naye ng'okiraba kisaturating nnyo in the media.
Maybe relationships, like let's say you take a picture with Rain, nebagamba you're dating. You do a song with David, into mukazi we. You do a song with Andre or your bawe. You know, so ebyo. There's a way it cringes my skin, and I'm like, you know, but it is what it is though. It's people's opinion, you can't avoid it. You just have to focus, really. Don't even pay attention to it. You don't know how to handle such things that are said about you. But as time goes on, there's a way you learn, no thick skin, and then you just keep going.
Shakira, oli mu management chi of late?
Ndine mukaya.
Oline mukaya events. Mu nyimba zo oyimba ku Musia. Who is Musia in your music? Yeah, Momani as a person. But in line of your music, who is Musia?
Musia is someone I worked with before in Kolane TNS. I met him through TNS. Yes, and then we became friends, and he helped me out during that time.
So tochakola na TNS?
No.
Contract ya TNS yali how long?
There was no contract.
Kye kyali kibagatta? Mwasinkana mutya?
TNS. A friend of mine in the US, yakubira oyo mwami wa TNS sim. Ndoza namugamba chagala okoleko ne Shakira bichi. Ndoza they agreed.
Yeah.
So then he called me. That friend of mine called me. Nangamba I spoke to so and so, and he wants to work with you. He's willing to work with you. Konze nangamba just go see him because appointment waiting away. Timogere, you see if you can do it. Work together. So then then we got in touch, and then we met. Nambulira what to expect of me, nemugamba nange what to expect of him, and that's how it started. Nagamba let's just work.
How long?
Maybe 3 months.
3 months, and things didn't work out.
They didn't work out at all.
3 months down the road, send a mekaze wayocha. If you remember.
I don't know.
Millions in Gameka. Because out there the public has another perception of the story.
No, what happened? No, usually I don't look at money because you're going to pay for what you need to pay to get something done, right? So, but then if there's no respect, if there's no respect served, then really can't continue working together. If you don't understand how respectful you're supposed to be towards a female musician, then it's not gonna work. It won't. Not with me, no, it will not. Yeah, you just have to have those boundaries, you know, that you shouldn't cross with that person, because I respect you the same way. So what makes it so hard for you to respect me that way? You know, because you don't feed me. So let's have respect for each other, regardless of who you think you are and who I think I am. Let's just respect each other.
Njagala nnyo layini eyo gye wagamba nti kamfatiye. Musia, comfortable.
I think with Musia, that was a TNS. That was Musia.
Hey, sure.
Hey, Musia tiyali TNS.
So, TNS wamala emyezi 3. Ye Musia mwakola bangaje?
Musia nali naye mu TNS. But at that time, Musia somehow wasn't allowed to contact me.
Atenga mukola naye.
Atenga tuli mu crew ye.
Extradigest mugoba nsonga Ibrahim Mukasage manya gange. Tukola ne dushime UK store ku Arena Mall awo. Atenga bo aba Sun Cargo Shipping Company basabaze mali from China to Kampala. Hika water drilling services basimamazi across Uganda. Plumbing services ne repairs zonna, anything to do with water. Kwatagane Hika water drilling services. So currently tuleke byaita tubireke biyite. Currently okola ne mukaya. Mumaze banga kine mukaya.
Watugenda myaka 2 kati.
Okay, that is very good. Buli lwokoma wano it is music.
Yes.
Oberi yekirala.
Oh, there's different projects that I venture on. Family. As a family tukola family yange. Yeah, music happens because I'm here, but then also there's things we're doing as a family, real estate, so many
but
things.
fans out there abayagala music wo nawe ng'omuntu, what attracts them so much to you?
I'm not sure, but I'll tell you what they tell me. I love your body, I love your looks, oh my God, I love your song, oh my God, I love how you dance, oh my God, I love this. We don't mind chagamba, you know. So my fans, we don't mind chakwagala kone echo na chechiri. Abera fan, aba chegomba. You know, wale nagamba. I wish I could go to America. You know, I wish I could be like you. I wish I could have a passport like yours. That is right. You know.
Shakira, how has the media treated you? The Ugandan media, local media.
At first, it used to bang me so bad at first, but now I think they've calmed down. About why?
What time?
It's different now. I'm not used to this. I'm so used to the fire that was there before. Like, you know. So,
do you run your socials?
No, not really. Not 24/7. 24/7 there's someone that does it. But I go in once in a while. So if you crop out a comment, no jimpereza katimbanga katimbura champereza no comment. It's on my picture, I'll see it. If I want to see it, don't crop it out or jimpereza.
Bachikola nnyo. Babalachi.
Maybe I got triggering. Maybe they want you to reply so they can, you know, move the screenshot. People have different intentions, so I really don't entertain negativity. I don't, because I believe anything negative comes from a hurting place. You know, it comes from a painful place. Because if you're happy where you are, there's no way you're going to start typing negativity on my pictures.
I know.
You're not going to start, they used to, but now it's ended. No, because they believe any woman that looks good,
abera malaya.
That fakala biko bulungi, maybe wakola bulungi amba do tuntu tukoma wano, you know. Oli kwetunda ye malaya. Comfort ye. Ofula comfortable. I know. I think akuba kwefako, mwefeko. Just take care of yourself, you know. Look good for you, don't look good for. I told that when you put on that short thing, you're trying to attract men. No, I feel good like that.
Extradigest mugoba nsonga. Tugenda kuba Shakira tumuleka. Eranga njagala kwebaza obuddebo.
Thank you.
Ojja kujja otukyalireko ne ku Kona ne Spark TV, that is every Friday. Inshallah onaaba okyalimu mu Kampala oba mu Uganda tujja kuba tukwatagana. Basebo ne bannyabo, ekitundu kyaffe ekisoose wano wekikomyewo ky'olunaku olwaleero, but ng'omuyimbi tujja kwongera okuba nga tumunoonyaako, tutunulire ebintu bingi nnyo, tugoberere music we n'ebigwa mu kowere, but olunaku olwaleero twagadde tusooke tukubemukko emboozi about her life, her music n'ebigwa mu koweryo, era nga obiwulidde. Njagala kwebaza obudde bwo bw'otuwadde. Thank you so much. Njagala otumire ku bantu bo.
Thank you for tuning in. It's Shakira Shakiraa Mfirika, and I'm so happy to be here. Thank you for being patient. I want to send my love to my dad, my mom, my family, my fans, people that love Shakira Shakiraa and her music and everything that comes with Shakira Shakiraa as a brand. And don't forget I'm on social media as well. Instagram, Shakira Shakiraa, Facebook, Shakira Shakiraa, Twitter, Snapchat, I'm on there, Shark GPN as well. And the Sharks, you know my fans wait about Sharks.
Oh, that is great.
The Sharks mutant say, yeah, you're good. I love you guys. Thank you. And don't forget to pray. Don't forget to protect yourself. And keep up with your own self. Do not let anybody put you down. Don't let anybody tell you no. Don't let anybody tell you you're ugly. No, you're not. So I love you. Mommy. Shaki. My daughter, I love you so much. Extradigest mugoba nsonga tetugenda kubanga tusukawo nako olwaleero. Ibrahim Kasagemanya njagala kwebaza my team, Idris, Keith, Daniel, Anthony. Thank you so much to the sponsors. Thank you so much. My friend Mukaya Events Living. Tumiddeko nnyo blood yona gyolimu akadde kano. Sikadenze Ibrahim Mukasa bannayuganda abawangalira mu diaspora. Mbagala nnyo, thank you so much. Nsaba Allah abakuume bannayuganda bawangalire Uganda, nammwe nsaba Allah abakuume. Omukama Katonda abeere nammwe akadde konna. Birungi byerere biri mu maaso ffenna gye tulaga. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa alaikum salam.